Good evening, everybody. This is your host, Tyler J. again. Just caught me a little bluegill. I've got a little bit of time before it gets dark. I'm over here at the local park. I'm going to try to do some catfishing. Stick around and let's see what happens. Oh, yeah.
A bass?
Is it?
Oh, it's a tiny little catfish.
Oh. How in the heck did you eat that bluegill?
Yeah. That is a tiny boy. Oh.
Well, I thought it was bigger than that, folks, but just, ow! Beautiful little channel cat there. Safely back in the water, although not the gentlest. I apologize for that. Let's see if we can do that again with something bigger. Stick around. And here we have the second channel cat of the day. Again, no idea how. You just got yourself all twisted up there, didn't you? No idea how that little fella ate a 4-inch live bluegill. But that's what I love about. Come back here. Hey. Easy, fella. There we go. That's what I love about catfish. Even the little ones have a lot of attitude. Folks, it's been great. Sadly, it's starting to get dark on me. I hope you've enjoyed this video, folks. And until next time, I'm Tyler J. Tight lines, take care, God bless. Love you all. Well, folks, thank you for joining me today. I ended up fishing for almost 2.5 hours. Ended up catching 5 bluegill and 2 channel cats. As you can see, it's starting to get dark, so I'm about to head home. The last one here. The park's open till 11 and it's not that late yet. But before I go, I just wanted to go over my equipment from today's video. The bluegill you saw and the other 4 were on my ultralight ugly stick GX2 7-foot spinning action or spinning rod with the Bass Pro Shops Stampede SP20R with 2-pound monofilament. And I caught the one you saw on a trout magnet on a 1/64 jig head. The 2 catfish you saw were caught on a original ugly stick 7-foot medium action casting rod with an Abumatic 275 spin cast reel spooled with 10-pound mono, a 3/0 circle hook. I apologize for the grass on it. A 1/8 egg sinker and a small split shot to peg it, and a bobber about 3 feet above it. The 2 catfish were caught on live bluegill. All 5 bluegill were around the size of the one that you saw at the beginning of this video. Until next time, folks, take care, God bless, tight lines. Love you all.